Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep here?
It's okay, I slept here.
You slept here?
I did. No, but it's fine. It's okay.
Haven't I told you, leave me alone now? Leave me alone now. What's this now? Leave me alone. Just go to your house.
I just woke up and I saw that the compound is dirty. I want to sweep.
Akwawa, go to your house.
At least when I finish sweeping, I'll wash your clothes, cook food for you. At least.
Leave my house.
Tilly, you need to eat my food this morning now. Eh? What will you have for breakfast?
Leave my house, too.
Oh, Dile, I cannot leave your house like this. Look at the compound is dirty. How can I say that my husband's compound is as dirty as this? I will go. It's not right now. I was not trained like that.
I'll embarrass you.
Oh, Dile, you don't have to.
Leave my house, too.
I plan on sweeping the compound, washing your clothes, and cooking for you.
Sweep yourself out of my house.
Oh, Dile.
Sweep yourself out of my house.
Please, you eat my food this morning now. How can I wake up in the morning? I see that my husband's compound is dirty. And I'll just walk away like that. It doesn't make sense now. If I now go...
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my life. Leave my house. Leave my life. Leave my house. Leave my life. I don't want again. I am not doing anything with you.
It's fine, just get me the broom. Let me sweep.
No, don't sweep. Go home. Please,
It's
go home.
okay. Let me sweep my husband's compound at least.
You still want to sweep?
I will sweep for you.
Stop, come on, please. Please,
You
just
still
go
want to
home.
sweep?
I will sweep.
You still want to sweep?
Baby, don't worry.
Please not.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.